Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can enable the Buy It Now button on your debut theme on Shopify. So if your buy button isn't enabled like this, there's no buy button here, it'll be because it's sold out. So you can't buy anything if it's sold out. Hence, the buy button will be disabled. So if you want to enable it again, you either have to click on the option, continue to sell even when sold out, or you need to update your stock. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to exit first from the web customization. Once you're here, you want to go on the left-hand side here onto products. And then on the products that you have zero in stock in. Now you either can do this, continue when selling out of stock, or you can increase the stock by going here. I'm just going to increase the stock instead. I'm going to give it a 3 stock. There you go. And I'm going to go back and let's see if the Buy It Now button is enabled again. Customize, catalog, and then let's check. There you go. Now the Buy It Now button has been enabled again.